Pulling electrical wire through conduits single-handedly can be streamlined with the right tools and techniques. Firstly, consider a fish tape reel with pull tension. This mechanism aids in maintaining consistent tension as you draw the wire. Secondly, investigate a wire puller assistant, often abbreviated as WPA. This device affixes to the wire, granting a more secure grip and facilitating the pull. A wire puller grip is also valuable, designed specifically for wire pulling. These grips offer a comfortable and firm hold, reducing hand fatigue. When it comes to techniques, using a fish tape is fundamental. Insert the fish tape into the conduit, securely attaching it to the wire, then pull the fish tape back, drawing the wire into the conduit. Lubricating the wire and conduit is essential to mitigate friction. Apply a suitable lubricant to both the wire and the conduit to ease the pulling process. Clamping or tying down the conduit is important to prevent it from moving or twisting during the pull. This secures the conduit, allowing you to apply force effectively. If additional leverage is required, a broom handle or stick can be used. Employ these tools to gain leverage, assisting in pulling the wire through particularly difficult sections. Dividing longer pulls into shorter sections can significantly improve manageability. This reduces the force needed for each segment, making the task less strenuous. Should the wire be excessively heavy, a hand truck or dolly can provide support and mobility. This minimizes physical strain, particularly on larger projects. Selecting the appropriate fish tape is important. Opt for one that is rated for the size and type of wire you are pulling, ensuring compatibility and preventing damage. Securing the WPA properly is necessary to avert slippage. Double-check that the WPA is firmly attached to the wire before initiating the pull. Utilize a grip that is appropriately sized for your hand and provides a solid hold on the wire. This enhances control and reduces the likelihood of the grip slipping. Patience is essential, as pulling wire single-handedly can be demanding. Take your time, avoid rushing, and address any snags methodically. If feasible, consider hiring assistance for short durations. Even a few hours of help can be invaluable for tackling the most challenging pulls. Employing these tools, techniques, and tips can markedly enhance your ability to pull wire through conduit on your own.